EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for September 15th, 2020. We are in the midst of a very benign weather pattern where we don't have a lot of activity going on here locally, but we have a bunch of things to talk about in this video that are related to our weather in some way. And the first is Hurricane Sally that is going to be meandering down here just off the coast today and very slowly drifting to the northwest here, and it's going to be making landfall somewhere near the mouth of the Mississippi, and then it's going to be picked up by a trough here later in the week. We are going to be mostly sunny today, but it's not all great news. We have cooler temperatures today as well, so very nice day as far as temperatures are concerned, near 70 or 72 maybe far southeast, but it's going to be it's supposed to be very comfortable from that aspect. But if you noticed yesterday, especially in the evening, we had some haze in the sky, and that was smoke actually up at the jet stream level. Now, some people are reporting that they actually smelled smoke. You're probably smelling your neighbor's campfire because it's not getting down to this level here. It's up at about 25,000 feet or so. Okay, so it's up at that level. The jet stream is what's bringing these the smoke plumes from the wildfires in the western U.S. Eastward, and we can see that here on today's forecast. This is the RAP. It's an experimental model that is designed for smoke and where it's going to be. Now, the jet stream here at this point is going up and over the top here like this. We have a little bit of a trough here in over our area today, and then it kind of goes up like this. So that's where the smoke plume is going, and the jet stream is carrying that smoke from the wildfires that are taking place here across Oregon and California. So it's picking it up and just taking it all the way eastward here. So, but it's up at that level where the jet stream is that's carrying it. So it's up at about the 250 to 300 millibar level. So it's generally 25,000 feet or so. Okay, so that's where the smoke is going to be, not at the surface, but it is going to obscure the sky at times today, just like we saw yesterday. So you're going to have a haze today, and it is not humidity related. It's going to be directly related to the smoke. And so you will see that, and this sun will look kind of funky like it did last night, a little eerie actually. But we will have that occur today most likely according to model projections. And today otherwise it would be clear and sunny, not a cloud in the sky today. It would be perfect otherwise. But going forward here, we see Sally kind of still meandering down here by the mouth of the Mississippi and or Mobile Bay, somewhere in that vicinity down there. It's going to make landfall probably as a Category 2 hurricane. It's eventually going to come on land. We are going to be dry for the second straight day and bright sunshine again. Again, the caveat to that is where is the smoke at that? I don't think it's going to be quite as bad here on Wednesday as today, but we'll see. Those forecasts are a little volatile when it comes to smoke and where exactly it sets up. So there could be some haze involved here Wednesday as well. We'll have to wait and see how that works out. I'll update that in the next video. We'll have a cold front moving down to the south, and you can see it right here. This is Thursday morning. Here's the cold front right here. This is going to bring in some really cool temperatures here once we get late weekend and early next week. And I mean really cool. Temperatures not getting out of the 60s, overnight lows in the 30s and lower 40s. It's going to be pretty chilly. Pretty chilly. We're talking about first frost for some areas here this weekend, but we'll get to that in a second. This frontal boundary is going to move off to the south and east. There could be a stray shower with this. There's really not much shown here, just a little bit. Thursday. In some areas, it could have a quick shower here. So we have a 20% chance of a shower here. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy here on Thursday. Stray shower could be possible still overnight, or during the evening and overnight. Majority of the system stays off to the south. Now, the European model is trying to show some showers here on Friday, so we left low chances for showers here in the forecast here Friday as well. It will be associated with that trough getting held up a little bit because the remnants of Sally are now moving well off to our south and off the eastern seaboard, which we'll continue to do. So we're not going to get any effects from this whatsoever. The NAM is not thrilled with that idea. It has generally just a spotty shower here on Thursday, and then everything pretty much stays off to the south, and so is the GFS. The GFS doesn't have anything for Friday, so we're not really high on the Friday. Friday could turn out to be a decent day as well, with no precipitation at all. So we'll just have to wait and see how that works out. It looks like the GFS wants to bring this cold front through on Thursday, and it does have that isolated stray shower here in the afternoon or evening here on Thursday, and then it moves off to the southeast, and this system moves away, and then we are set up for a very, very nice stretch of weather, autumn-like, in fact. Again, with temperatures not getting out of the low to mid 60s for highs on Saturday and Sunday, and you're going to have overnight lows in the 30s in some interior locations with some frost. And not just in the higher elevations, I'm talking about the valley locations as well. So there's definitely the potential for that. Now, if how far southeast that gets, south of I-80, does it get to I-78 remains to be seen. We'll update that here in the next couple of days for those of you that are interested in planting interests. So, we don't want to lose the plants too early here, or any tender vegetation. So though we'll continue to follow that here in the coming days, but it is possible that at least the interior areas get a frost over the weekend with some temperatures in the 30s overnight, both Saturday night and Sunday night. And it looks like this high pressure is going to hold tight through the weekend. That's going to give us mostly sunny skies straight through Monday. So it looks like if you don't have anything on Friday, if that front does move through, you might have mostly sunny skies already on Friday. If not, it's going to be Saturday, Sunday, Monday are also mostly sunny. So a very dry and benign weather pattern, but there are some things we have to dodge here. One of those in the near term, the biggest concern is going to be the smoke, and the haze is going to be limiting some sunshine possibly. And if it does that, it does have an effect on temperatures too. She might be stuck, 68-ish, 69-ish or something like that because of that sun not be able to get it through as much as it normally would since it's obscured a little bit. So we'll see how that works out too. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for September 15th, 2020. Have a great Tuesday.